Hey guys, welcome to my homestead. Today I want to make bread. So I'm alone today. Sometimes I need to take a break from everyone and spend time alone to experience and appreciate and love myself. So as you can see guys, I'm in the garden harvesting corn, and this corn is not yet ready to be harvested. But what happened was, when we were trying to cut the tree that was there near those plants, that tree fell down on top of the plants. So I said to myself, let me just get the corn and make bread. So I'm going to use what I have in my kitchen. I have a simple ingredients to make the bread. So let's do this together guys. I appreciate your support every day here on She Africa. So guys, if you are new here, if it's your first time here on She Africa, please guys don't forget to subscribe, like and share. That's how I grow. And don't forget to watch the ads. That's how you can support me guys. I work in our backyard farm every day. This provides low impact daily exercise, and it fosters a strong connection with my food source and the environment. So I make sure that I do that every day. As you can see guys, I'm now preparing to make the bread. I'm going to write the ingredients on the screen as you can see. So I'm not going to use flour to make the bread because I'm trying to eat healthy these days. I'm using peanut butter that we make at my place. We don't add anything, but it's just straight from the field and we grind it. So that means this is a naturally gluten free. So you need to open your eyes when you are buying peanut butter these days. Many people and many brands are adding something in peanut butter, so we prefer to make peanut butter ourselves at our place so that we know what we are eating guys. I'm also adding the bananas from our trees. Yeah, we have banana trees. That's why I like homesteading, because some of the things we don't buy, we just harvest them from the garden. Like vegetables, we harvest from our garden. I don't really like to buy vegetables. I want fresh vegetables from our garden. I like that. And sometimes we also do harvest some fruits from our trees at my place. That's what we always do. We live a simple life here. Let's make a bottle good cup today guys. I want to use that today, and it's very safe to drink tea from this cup. It produces zero chemicals, unlike our modern plastics that we have these days. Here there is zero waste and it's eco-friendly. I'm collecting the seeds for the next season. Let's separate the chaff from the seeds. In my country, we call that action kupepeta or kuruza. Let's fix the cup inside.
Oh, there's a crack here. I'm so disappointed, guys. And I don't know how to fix it.
Let's go for a walk now. So guys, look at that. Where I live, people love to grow their own food. They love farming. So it's a good thing to do that, because you make sure that you get your food from your garden. It enhances the food security, and you know that you are eating something that is chemical free if you are not using chemicals in your garden. So here people love farming. They make sure that they have something in the garden. And farming also slashes the grocery costs, guys. If you have carrots in your garden, you just get them from the garden. Guys, look at those dogs, those two big dogs. We were now afraid of those dogs, and we said to ourselves, let's run with Charlie. So now we are going back home, because we were afraid to keep on moving, keep on walking on that road. Let's go back home.
There are some small insects that are eating the vegetables here. Let me show you guys what is happening. So I'm sure we need spray. We have to spray the garden. Soon we need to spray the garden. The garden needs spray. The garden needs spray. Look at this, guys. There, see? Look at those small holes. They are black insects that are eating these seedlings. So guys, that's Sunga, and these two lines, this one and this one here, it's rape.
Let's harvest Zumbani. Zumbani tea is a traditional African herb remedy highly valued for its respiratory and immune boosting properties. Disclaimer: I'm not recommending anyone to use this herb. It is a traditional herb that many Zimbabweans were taking during COVID-19. So guys, let's have Zumbani tea together. Please don't take Zumbani if you are not told by your doctor to take Zumbani. I'm not a doctor.